Hey guys, so in math, we were learning last week about composing and decomposing numbers. And so this week, I thought we'd step it up a little bit and work on adding and subtracting. I told you guys last week that when we can compose numbers, we can be really good at adding. And when we can decompose numbers, it helps us be really good at subtracting. And so we're gonna do some practice with adding and subtracting today. So I have here this little peg thing, and it's going to help us solve some problems. And so I'm going to pick a number. Let's go ahead and do number 8. And then I'm going to pick adding or subtracting, and I want to add first. So we know that plus means that we're adding, and we know that adding means that we're going to put together. So 8 plus, let me pick another number. Let's do this. 8 plus 1 equals what? Okay, so we need to figure out what does 8 plus 1 equal. So we are going to have to put together some numbers to figure that out. And so I want to start with 8. We know we're going to put together 8 and 1. So I can start with 8. So I'm going to put 8 little things on the peg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 little circles on my peg. And then I need to put one more, right? Because we said we're adding one more. And so now I need to see how many we have all together, because we said that adding this means that we're putting together. So now I need to see how many do I have all together so I can count them. I have 1, let's put them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. Okay, let's try another problem. I'm going to pick 9. And I'm going to pick this one. That means minus. Guys, remember, minus means we're going to take away. So I'm going to do 9 minus 5 equals what? 9 minus 5 equals what? And so I need to start with my first number. When we're subtracting, we always start with the first number, 9. And so I'm going to count 9 little circles and put them on the peg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And remember, we said minus means we're going to take away, and then the next number tells us how many we're going to take away. So we could read it 9, take away 5. So we're going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see how many we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So we saw that 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now you guys can think of some problems on your own and practice a couple addition and subtraction problems, and you can solve it using anything that you have at your house. Maybe you want to use counters, little toys, Legos, pennies, whatever you want to use. Let your mom or dad give you a couple adding and subtracting problems, and then you can try and solve them on your own. When you're done, go ahead and take a picture of it and send it to me so that way I can see your work. Bye guys.